understanding why your messages aren't being delivered is critical. So here's what you can do about it. Earlier this year, we launched Messaging Health Monitoring, a new insights feature in the Bandwidth app, giving customers visibility into the percentages of blocked and unregistered traffic. These insights are available into an easy-to-digest dashboard. Now, I want to invite Alicia Summers to show you how Messaging Health Monitoring works. And hot off the presses today, we are excited to show you a brand new feature, real-time alerting. Come on out, Alicia.
Thank you, Caitlin. So, you're all set up to use Bandwidth's messaging services, but how do you make sure your traffic stays healthy? Let's take a look at the health dashboard. Let's say one of your customers launches a new campaign. It's been approved and they're ready to start sending traffic. To the left of the health dashboard here, we can see that they started to send traffic and we have 0% unregistered traffic. That's what we want to see. Great job registering. But one of the brands sending messages on your platform made a mistake, which led them to experience some blocking and they don't know why. As we scan across the other health metrics, we see something going on with the rejections. Let's dig in. With Bandwidth Health Monitoring, you have the tools you need to determine if the message content has been rejected by carriers due to spam or an opt-out issue. We can do that by clicking View Breakdown.
Now, Alicia, a quick decoder for the non-technical people in the room, like me. We put some helpful text at the bottom of the chart to explain the two main reasons messages get rejected. One, spam rejected means there's something going on with the actual messaging content. Two, opt-out means these people are receiving messages and are replying stop or opting out at a higher than normal rate. This could mean the traffic is unwanted for a number of reasons.
That's exactly right. Let's figure out which of these two errors are at fault. But first, we're going to take a look at our messaging logs to check for spam rejections. This will send us to our message logs, which have been filtered to show any messages with error code 4770, meaning spam rejected messages. Since we see 0 messages in the log with the 4770 error code, we know that messages aren't being blocked due to spam. Great. Now let's go back and look for any opt-out errors. Opt-outs have the error code 4775. And now we're starting to see the problem. A number of messages have been blocked due to user opt-outs. In the message log, we can see the IDs of the messages that have been blocked, the list of numbers these messages are coming from and being sent to, as well as the carrier that did the blocking.
So, Alicia, the health monitoring tool helps our customers identifying the problem. For example, maybe the message sender didn't collect opt-in correctly, or maybe it's a consent issue. Either way, this gives you the insights you need to fix the issue faster.
That's right, Caitlin. But this is where things get really interesting. None of our customers have time to stare at a screen waiting for a spike in errors.
Yeah, I know, I don't have time for that.
Nobody does. But Bandwidth's Messaging Health Alerting solves this for you. We'll move to the alerts page where we'll configure the notification. The alerts page is designed to give you time back in your day by setting up an alert to trigger when your metrics move from green to yellow, which creates a warning, or from yellow to red, which we call an alarm. Let's take a quick tour of the page. On the right-hand side, we can see a history of any alerts that have been triggered up to this point. At the center of your screen, we have the list of alerts that have already been configured for this account. Let's create a new one for rejections. We'll give it a name, select Messaging Health as the type. We'll take a look at carrier rejections, and let's set the notification frequency at 10 minutes. You can be notified by an email alert or a webhook which allows you to integrate alerts into an app like Slack. To finish setting up this alert, I'll enter in an email. These on-the-go alerts move you from passive monitoring to actionable insights. No matter how you use business messaging, the health of your traffic is critical to your success. Bandwidth's messaging, health monitoring, and alerting gives you the confidence that your traffic is getting delivered, and if not, the insights to quickly diagnose the issue.
Thank you so much, Alicia. That's awesome. Let's give her a round of applause.